Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create RAR and zip archives in OPPO Pad Air. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app I showed you previously on how to download it. Now let's open the app. From here access the files that you want to pack. Click on each of the file and then select the plus button. You will enter archiving options. You can customize them however you like, but it's not necessary to create a basic RAR file. I'm just gonna go with OK, and that way we just made the camera.rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.